What's up? How you guys doing? Hope you guys are great. Happy Sunday. Happy blessed Sunday to everybody. Hope everyone's doing well. Got the hairdo today done up. I'll call it the wave right here on the side. Small pump. Side part. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? I use this right here. Suavecito pomade. Matte pomade. It's great stuff, guys, right here. It got like a matte finish to it. It looks awesome. I like it. Good stuff. Thank you for joining me for another shave. I really appreciate it. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much. Really makes me happy to see everybody's comments, especially the ones that have that like my channel, that like my videos. Thank you very much. It really means a lot to me. That's why I keep doing these videos. Decided to go with today Strike Gold Shave, Hoover. This is from Frank Misa and Strike Gold Shave. And this is inspired scent from Skin Bracer. Classic scent. I wanted to pay my I wanted to give a appreciation shave for Frank, because he's always been good to me. Always. Yesterday he sent me a comment on my video saying that my videos are in I forgot what was the comment, excuse me. I got a brain fart right now. Let me look. I'll be back. I just looked at the comment on YouTube. I'm sorry. I had a brain fart. I couldn't think about it. But he sent me a message saying that I was an inspiration to the wet shaving community. That made me happy, because I really appreciate that comment. I really try my best, guys, with these videos, and I'm not the greatest reviewer, but I try my best, and I tell you how it is. That's why they call me El Chingon. And he told me I was a class act, which is really generous of Frank. Thank you, Frank, buddy. I know you're on vacation, and I want to say thank you very much with all my heart and with all my soul. You're a great brother to me, and I love you very much, man. I hope you're having a good time, and hope to talk to you soon again. This is for you, Frank. I'm going to shave with your soap. Got my brush here soaking. My Mendes El Chingon Shaves mug. Great gift from Rafa at Chicano Designs. And I'm really proud of him for making another release on his for another soap collaboration with John Perry. Gail Locke, I think the name is, for the soap. And it came out yesterday, and I heard it was doing good. And a lot of people got it, and I'm happy for those people that got it. I heard it's a great scent. Rafa always makes great collaborations all the time. And I commend you, Rafa. Keep doing the great work you do, brother. Much love goes out to you too. Vatos Locos forever. And the scent, it smells very similar to the Skin Bracer. On this one, I get slightly mint. It's a mint soap, minty soap, but it has other scents to it. And I'll be putting them down in the description below. I don't remember them on top of my head, but I'm going to be putting them down in the description. Great scent. And it matches aftershave pretty nicely, in my opinion. I'm going to be using this brush today. I don't know if you can see that, but it says Rubber Set. It's a vintage brush. And this has a pure Badger 24 millimeter. It's a little floppy, but still does a good job. Gives me great lathers. It's pretty dense too. I got this from Steve Restorations. I don't know what's up with him. I haven't seen him or known anything about him lately. I hope he's well. But he does some great restores. And it's a vintage for brush. Rubber Set. Some Starbucks. I have to go get some caramel macchiato. It's my favorite. I love it. Just got out of a shower not too long ago, so my face is nice, hydrated to go for the shave. This is going to be a pretty long video, guys, so just caution. It's Sunday. I usually like to relax and shave on my shaves on the weekends. So if you don't want to watch a long video, I'm just letting you guys know. It's going to be a long video. I don't mean for it to be, but that's the way it comes out. But I appreciate the support, everyone. Either way, I really appreciate it. Let me get some Parasso. Let me start the shave with some pre-shave. I need that menthol kick to my shave. I can find the damn thing. I got so much shit down here, it's unbelievable. Give me a second, guys. I'll be right back right now. So I gotta reorganize because I have stuff on top of stuff and the Parasso was underneath something. Gotta baby-proof everything. For my son, you know, my stepson, he likes to get into all my stuff. He loves it. He's gonna be just like Daddy. Parasso. Parasso Green is a pre-shave and has menthol and has a strong kick of menthol, which I love. And it was a gift from Joseph Salazar. This right here. My Vatos Locos Forever brother too on Instagram. I love this stuff. Gives your it gives your soaps a kick of menthol for you menthol lovers. I suggest you apply it on face and let it sit there for a minute or two till you feel that menthol. That's what I do. We got a day's growth on the face. Yeah, if you guys don't know Frank Misa, he's the owner of Strike Gold Shave. He does a lot for the wet shaving community, guys. He really does. His customer service is top notch. Excellent customer service he provides for his customers. I've said it before in my videos. He has great customer service. He cares about his customers. He really does. He's always following up with me. All the time, keeping in touch with me. I put more than I had to, but it's okay. Yeah, he's always getting in touch with me and getting a hold of me, and I appreciate that. He's been a long supporter of my channel. And he's always giving me tips all the time for the straight razor. When I first started my straight razor, he's the one that got me into straight razor shaving. He sent me out a razor to start off with, and I fell in love with it. Fell in love with the shave. That's why to this day, I still use a straight razor because I love it. Frank has a heart of gold. He really does. And his products are awesome. His hones, I love his hones. He always takes care of me. He always follows up with me with my razors and tells me how's the edges doing on my razors. And if I tell him they're dull, he tells me, ship them out to me, I'll take care of you. And he does. I love Frank. Ooh, yeah, I feel the menthol. It feels awesome. I don't got very many of Frank's soaps, but I got a couple, and the ones that I have are great. I missed out on the Haberdasher. I heard it's a floral scent. Start the loading. There's a dark barbershop, but I just recently saw by one of the posts, Brian Yoist the Coast. Follow him on Instagram. He has great reviews. He does great interviews too with artisans. But Yost was saying that it was too much floral for him. He's not a really floral guy. I am a floral guy. I love florals. But he was just like, I guess, giving people a warning, that it's a floral scent. Then if it's a floral scent, you're gonna love the scent. Just a brief description of what he thought about the scent. And he said it was floral, too floral. I don't mind florals. I love florals. I have a lot of florals in my den. Great soap base right here. This is the vegan base. This stuff is really creamy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a real creamy soap. I'll go with that there. If I need more, I'll go back to the puck. Just putting this axis on top of my brush. Don't let it go to waste. It's nice and pasty through the bristles, just the way I love it. Oh, that menthol feels great. I've been alone since Friday. My girlfriend went to Cancun. She went to Cancun to go see her sister, go get married. And I was alone Friday night by myself here at the house. And yesterday too. I was here by myself yesterday at home, just chilling. Just waiting for my family to come back. They arrived today. They fly out of Cancun, which is, I believe, a 3-hour difference from here. Just rinsing my puck here. I forgot to mention the soap comes from Mason Boutique. Jennifer Martin is the artisan. She makes great soaps. She makes them for Frank for his shop. And they just recently came out with a, I believe like a little less than 2 months ago, a new base. And it's called the Commander-in-Chief formula, which is tallow, which I have a puck of it in the Rushmore. And it's awesome. Awesome base. And the ingredients for this soap for vegan is stearic acid, water, shea butter, coconut oil, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, fragrance, and glycerin. Handcrafted in Grovestown, Georgia. 5 ounces of soap. It's a lot of soap. Just wet my brush, just some. Let's start the lather. Oh, that feels good. This brush is very soft. It's already broken in. It's a little floppy, but like I was mentioning, it does the job. Oh yeah, I feel that menthol. When I put a little bit of water, it gets stronger, which I love. It gets colder. Yeah, Frank's on vacation right now, which is awesome. He deserves it. He works hard for his. He works hard for his, and everyone deserves a vacation. Life is too short. You gotta enjoy it. You only live once, and you gotta make the best of it. Awesome lather here. Great protection from the soap. This soap is pretty dense. Pretty slick too. Just a little bit more water. Look at that awesomeness on my face. I love this soap. Great soap base from Jennifer Martin at Mason Boutiques. Smells great too. The scent strength's medium strong. So I say about a 5.5. It's very nice though. Oh, I forgot to strap my razor. Let me strap it real quick. Give me a minute, guys, while I strap my razor. Alright, I apologize for that. I had to strap it. Gonna be using my Gold Dollar 59 from Frank Misa. He honed this for me just recently. And it's has a great edge on there. A better edge than the last edge it had. I like this one much more. He knows which one I like now, so. Let's start the shave. That menthol. Really nice. I love menthol. Menthol head. I'm trying to see if I cut myself because I felt the point. Gotta be careful with this one. Has a tip right there that's really comes out a lot. You gotta be careful with it. I saw a video from Drew, Knife to the Face. Last night I was up all night watching his videos. You gotta check him out, guys. Drew is really funny. He's a character, man, I swear. His humor is up the wall. He's really funny. You gotta check out his videos, Knife to the Face. And his name is Drew. Really funny. And he's a subscriber to my channel too. And he's straight razor shaver too, which is awesome. Great lather from Frank. Dry Gold Shave Soap. I guess I didn't put enough water on the soap itself because it took a little while to rinse off. No blood yet. Yeah, Drew cut his face with this razor, and oh my God, it was a bad cut. I've gotten cut like that before, and it hurts. It hurts. You gotta be very careful with the straight, or you will slice your face off. But it's a true pleasure shaving with this. I'm telling you, it really is. I love shaving with the straight razor now. No blood. But if blood comes, oh well. It's part of shaving, you know? It's gonna happen sooner or later. Get a rinse here. Ah, feels awesome. Very slick soap. Leaves my face feeling great, I'll tell you that. Pass 2 with my brush. Painting on for second pass. I have a friend from work. He works in the building. Well, not in the building, but one of the retail places at work where I work at. And real religious guy. And I talk to him on a more normal basis because I see him almost every day at work. And he's real religious. And he's going on a trip to Vegas. And I was talking to him on Friday. Past 2. He's going for his church. He said that they got some event, a big event over there. And me and him were talking, you know, I was telling him that I was going to be home alone for the weekend. Which I'm not, you know, it's okay, you know. I wanted to go to the wedding with my girlfriend, but I didn't have the funds to go. Real smooth edge. I didn't have the funds to go, so I had to stay. I didn't have, you know, money for the passport, which I don't have a passport. My girlfriend got hers, and for my stepson. But I needed money for the passport. I needed money for the plane trip I didn't have. So I had to stay home, you know. Even though I didn't want to, I had to. And I could have saved up for it. I have a pimple right there that I went over again. But I'm the only one working right now, and I have to pay all the bills, so fortunately I couldn't go. The bills are more important, you know? I gotta pay my rent. I gotta have somewhere to live, you know? So I have to pay the rent and suck it up and stay home. Couple weepers. There's blood now. That won't stop me though. I'm talking too much right here. That's why I'm cutting myself. But I want to talk to you guys to let you guys know. Yeah, so she comes back today. But going back with my friend, to talk about my friend, he invited me to Vegas, which is awesome. I've never been to Vegas, Las Vegas. Oh, it feels great. And he asked me if I wanted to go. But he's leaving on Friday. So I don't know if I can. I'm going to try to. But I've never been to Vegas, and it'll be a nice trip. He's so nice and generous. He told me that he would to invite my girlfriend, and she would like to go, and because she knows my girlfriend. She used to work with him. They used to be co-workers. But damn weepers. He told me if I could go to let him know, and he would take us. But what I'm trying to say is he mentioned that he has a room already booked, and he had told me that if me and my girlfriend could go, that he would let us have the room. And he would stay with the pastor, which is not too far away. Let me get some Spectic pencil. Oh, here it is. It's on my counter. Stop these weepers here. They're not going to stop weeping. So I would love to go. I'm going to try my best and see if I could go. Not a lot of people offer you that every day, you know, or you come close to that. And he's offering us a free trip to go to Vegas, which is super nice of him, super generous. Yeah, some water to the knot. I think I'm going to have to reload. Yeah, I might have to. It's not enough soap. We'll see. I'm going to have to reload. Let me go back to the pot, guys. It's not enough. Oh yeah, much better. So I'm gonna see if I could go, you know. This is a one in a lifetime, you know, opportunity. Who knows when it's gonna be my next time to be offered to go to Vegas, you know. But that was very generous on my friend for doing that for us. He first mentioned, you know, that the Cabo, where my girlfriend went. I mean Cabo, excuse me, Cancun, Mexico. It's a really nice place to go to. It's very beautiful out there. I never been there, but that's enough there. That's plenty. I never been there, but he was showing me pictures of the water. Oh my God, guys, it's beautiful. I don't know if you guys ever been there to Cancun, but it's very, very beautiful. The scenery it's awesome. The ocean is crystal clear. It's just looks beautiful. Past 3. Sorry for the long video, guys. I apologize. It's already going into 30 minutes. Hopefully I can knock this off soon. Really smooth. Trying to concentrate here so I won't cut myself again. Badger hair. Baby butt smooth for me. Wow. That feels great. Get a rinse off here real quick. Awesome shave, exception with those weepers there. Not too bad. Awesome. Chingon. A little sting there from the spastic. I don't know. I can't pronounce that word. Spictic pencil. I'll call it the boo-boo juice because it takes care of the wounds, but I call it boo-boo juice. Well, that's my shave there, guys. Thank you for joining me very much. Thank you for hearing me out. That was appreciation shave for Frank Misa. Thank you, brother, very much. I really appreciate your brotherhood very much and your loyalty to me, you know, and you're always so nice and generous. And I appreciate that from you very much. You're a great brother in the West Shaving community. And I appreciate you, brother. Thank you. Had an awesome shave with your soap. To recap, guys, Hoover from Strike Gold Shave. Awesome scent. Inspired by Skin Bracer Classic aftershave. Use my rubber set. Badger. Vintage. 24 millimeter Best Badger. My Gold Dollar 59. W59. Home from Frank Misa, the man himself. Strike Gold Shave. And to top it off, Skin Bracer. Awesome scent right here. Classic. With menthol. Bomb. Cheers, guys. Oh, yeah. Very little burn. Ooh, that menthol. Yeah, I love it. Oh, that was my shave, guys. Thank you very much. Sorry for the long video, but I wanted to talk, today, and I don't do it every time. I think this is the longest video I ever made me talking. But I appreciate you guys, hearing me out, and thank you for joining me for today's shave. God bless you guys. Take care and have a blessed Sunday. I love you guys. Take care. Yeah, buddy. Peace out.